everybody. It's like 8 in the morning. It's Sunday. Eyes all cleaned up. We're ready to go to Caffeine and Octane. So bust out the Hero 7. I'm gonna try and mount this up in a couple different spots on the drive there and the drive back. Get y'all a couple different angles. Probably try the suction cup mount, you know, over the exhaust, but give y'all some different things and then give y'all some coverage from Caffeine and Octane too. So I'm gonna stop talking, get started, and get out of here so I can try and get a good spot.
Alright, just next to him?
Yeah, just put your left tire just between the line divider.
Okay.
Alright, cool. So we made it out here to Caffeine and Octane. Got some people looking at the car. Oh yeah, excuse me. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, got some people looking at the car.
Go between.
She ran good on the whole way out here, and she's looking good too. So everything's going according to plan. Alright, so it's time to walk around, see what's out here, take some pictures, record some videos, maybe buy some shit. I don't know. See how it goes. I had to record this Dustin Miles FB car. Shit is wicked. that's a wicked car. This is another one I gotta get on camera. Y'all might not know, but I love me some old school. And this is one of my favorite body style Camaros. Look at it. Ooh. With the Willwood brakes.
My older brother, he actually has a me stuck on it. He's got a 1970 SS, original once he has a couple of
4-speed.
He does the Chicago show the second game.
Willwood's all the way around. This is beautiful. Is it really a car meet if there ain't a Supra?
No, so you know there's a Hardee's gas station.
It's nice.
That light, right?
I like the spot of the catch can. It's clean.
I believe so. So if Heritage is on your right and you go past, you go all the way down, and there's a Hardee's at the end by where 212
where the public is at.
Yes. Okay, yeah, okay. So you go to that light, and you're going to turn right like you're going up to Heritage.
This is clean too. SS with the big blower. Big supercharger guy. I bet this is scary fast. Look at the size of the supercharger.
What? How do you do it?
It's a legit death trap. Look at it. That's the shifter. These G80s have grown on me a lot. Like, I love the back end on
You're
them.
at a 91 Ranger. 91 Ranger's on the okay. 91 Ranger, no Ranger.
They look wicked in this color too. The camera, I don't even think is really picking it up right. They probably look more gray on camera, but it's kind of like has a bluish tint to it. And I love the headlights. Look at that. I love seeing these wheels converted over to 3-piece. Like, just look at that. That's OEM Plus for real. That shit looks sick. Look at that OEM wheel with lip. Can't beat it. Alright, cool. I broke the chair out. I got tired of walking around so much, so I'm just sitting out here next to the car. There's a lot of people out here asking questions and talking and looking at the car, so I really appreciate all the support and everybody liking it. You know, it feels good. But yeah, so I'm gonna just chill out for now and watch some of this Formula One race and then ride out from here and see where the rest of the day takes us. It's starting to rain and I'm about to get out of here, but this Fox is crazy. Pro charged, drag pack, Kirky seats. Yeah, I know this thing moves. Let's get down in boogies. Well, I just smashed this good-ass chicken burger. Well, chicken sandwich. They ran out of burgers. But gotta get a lemonade. Yeah, but now it's about time to go. Show's starting to clear out. I'm glad the rain eased off. And I picked up some quick dealer detailer from the chemical guy's store. So I'm about to throw it over to the other GoPro, get some more POV driving, and go from there.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Antiguan. Yeah. All right, take it easy.
Alright, just making it home. That was a fun event. The car ran great. Everybody loved it. That felt good. Like I said before, I don't build the car for other people, but you know, when people appreciate what you do, it feels good. So, like I said, it was a fun event. I'll definitely be back. Oh yeah, and the coolant crossover isn't leaking anymore, so that's good. No more losing coolant. Even though it was just a little bit, it was bugging me that was leaking. So got that taken care of too. Oh yeah, and then let me know what you guys like about the driving too, like the POV and the onboard shots. Me personally, I like watching them with other cars. I like watching onboards, whether they racing or it's just a nice car and they cruising around. As long as they're doing some pulls, I don't want to just see, you know, regular stop and go, red light to red light traffic, you know, driving. So I try to keep that to a minimum and just kind of put some pulls in here and there and just, you know, the sound of the car. So let me know what you guys like about that, if you do or if you don't. So, you know, I'll know if to put it in more of the videos, because I do want to make more driving videos and more POV. I want to get that bike mount one. So yeah, that's in the plan for the future. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see y'all next time.